here at the brand new Legacy Condo building, 3 luxury condos in the heart of Northwest DC. Welcome to your new residence. We're here in Unit 2, the Evelyn, which commemorates her spirit of hospitality. She would have loved this open floor plan where you can make it anything that you want with this bay window. And of course, the kitchen, the custom backsplash, and this oven. You know, not only was it a spirit of hospitality, but she was well known for her desserts, including her honey bundt cake. You have full utilization of the full space, whether you create it as a perfect breakfast nook, a reading area, or just really an extra living room within the unit. You also see the open kitchen with a custom countertop, stainless steel appliances, and I love the backsplash that was chosen for this to really bring in the light that you have coming in from this full bay window. Here in the owner's suite, we're in the luxury bathroom with dual vanities, subway tiling, custom shelves, and even a unique tub that features elegance at its finest. Here in the owner's suite of the Evelyn, you have a full expansive bedroom where you could put in a full bedroom set. We have it set up also for a box for a smart TV and the walk-in closet. Off of the owner's suite, you get a private balcony, which is what buyers are looking for today. Where's a space that I can not only have inside, but also outside to enjoy the fresh air and to enjoy the weather, the beautiful fall that we get here in DC.